Clap.
Do I need to clap again or no?
Mm-mm.
Okay. My name is Jamie Hord. I am the founder of Horderly Professional Organizing, and today we are going to provide you with some tips and tricks to get your small space closet organized along with your dresser drawers. Before we dive in and start tackling the space, make sure you have Post-its, Sharpies, trash bags, and cleaning supplies to wipe down the space once it's empty. Let's go check out the before space. So this is a good example of a closet that doesn't have the proper systems put in place. First off, it looks like it needs a little bit of a declutter or an edit, but there's also no containment, no labels, a mixture of hangers, products aren't streamlined. We are going to take you through our process and show you how we would organize this space. The first step in our Horderly process is to take everything out, and we mean everything. We want to start with a blank canvas, sort piles with likes. This way you can see how much you have of each item, but make sure you're not jumping ahead to the editing step just yet. We're just doing a full pull out and sort. We know it might feel a little daunting to get that space organized, but you have to start somewhere. So remind yourself that it's going to get a little worse before it gets better. So as you're pulling everything out and making your sorted piles, use your Post-it notes and your Sharpie to label those piles. Once you've pulled everything out of the closet, give everything a good wipe down. Next step is we are going to edit, which means deciding keep, toss, donate. At this point, you should have everything pulled out of your closet wiped down, and everything into sorted piles. You can now see how much you have of each category. This way, you can really consider that while you edit. If you're really short on space, use MakeSpace to store your off-season items. This is the part where it can really feel like it's getting worse before it gets better. So don't let this step overwhelm you, and be sure to stick with the process to avoid any overwhelm. Now that everything has been pulled out of the closet, sorted, and edited, it's time to put everything back. Containment is key, so use baskets and bins to give everything a proper home. All of our products that we used here today are from the Container Store. Consider what's prime real estate and what's not prime real estate. Prime real estate is going to be any area that's super easily accessible for you, and you want to put items there that you're using most often. Be sure to label these bins so that you remember exactly what's in them. At Horderly, we love using the Brother P-Touch Cube Plus label maker. There's no such thing as over-labeling. Label everything to create those new habits of knowing where to find something, and more importantly, where to put it back. To maximize your space even more, utilize vertical space, wall space. So here we hung a hook to hang our go-to bag. After tackling that closet, keep the momentum up and try tackling your dresser drawers. 3 of our favorite tips for the dresser are file folding, using drawer dividers, and labeling. And this is the after of our closet. So a few tips that we did here. We always want to make sure the floor is as clear as possible, so we try to get everything up off the floor. We created a bag full of bags with a suitcase, and then you always want to make sure your products and hangers are streamlined, so use all matching hangers. Getting organized is so good for your mental clarity of knowing exactly what you have in your home and knowing where to find those items when you need them. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed organizing your space with us. Be sure to like this video below and give us a comment. Check out our website at horderly.com or follow our Instagram page at Horderly. Happy organizing!